Before I do what I want to do today, I'm actually going to check that I have the means to do it, so let's pull over. So I want to take some pictures on Fish Hill of motorcyclists. Let's just double check that my camera has an SD card in it, because that would be disastrous if it doesn't. It does. We are golden. Alright, I don't usually like doing it, but we are going the quickest route to get there, which is the A46. This place is good for bike meets. Look at them all. So bike meets, bike pubs, whatever, great and all. Good to see lots of bikes, stand around, chat, talk bikes, stand there, drink coffee, drink a glass of Coke. You know, you spend all that time just not riding your bike. Did she give me the finger? I thought she flipped me off. I'm not sure if she waved or flipped me off. Oh, grim. Well, we are definitely taking the quickest route to get there. Also, the most boring route. Treating myself to heated grips on full, because my hands are getting cold in the wind. Okay, so Fish Hill today. I was there yesterday, taking pictures, and unfortunately a guy did come off of his bike, and it didn't look too good. I believe he's been or was airlifted to hospital, I'm not sure where, but I expect there's going to be a lot of police presence at Fish Hill today. And we're not going to speed up the hill. I don't want to get caught speeding right before my holiday. And I don't want to come off my bike right before my holiday either. I wonder why it's called Fish Hill as well. Doesn't really make any sense. So I think the guy actually lost it on this uphill section. Literally this corner here was where he was laying down. Okay, and this is where we stop. Yeah. Don't drop the bike. I knew there was going to be police sitting on it today. Especially after what happened yesterday, like, it's inevitable. But to be fair, if it means that less people come off their bikes, then, you know, I'm actually all for it. But cool, this will be us for a bit. Goodbye for now.